Now we are going electronic control system on the car. Nowadays, today, the vehicle are equipped with electronic systems to control engine management, to control also transmission, to control anti-locking braking system known as ABS, to control traction control, to control electronic stability program, to control suspension system, to control also electronic power steering system, and so on. There is another systems. Electronic system with the vehicle of today, we can compare with the human body. Human body has the various sensors and the actuators. We can compare with the vehicle. For example, when we say knock sensor on the car, it is like a hearing sensor on the human body. When we say oxygen sensor, is like smell sensor. For actuators, when we say servo motor, step motors, solenoids, it is like a movement of muscle of human body. When we say graphic display is like torque, light, and so on. And electronic control unit, ECU, it is like a human brain. Today, electronic control controls many systems. Today we are going to see engine management control. The engine management control deals on the fuel system, air inducting system, ignition system, emission system, cooling system, and the lubricating system. Before that, why we have electronic engine management or electronic control system on the cars? There are 5 targets. First one is the emission control or environment protection. Second one is fuel economy. The third one is the high performance of the engine. Fourth one is the high comfort. When we say comfort, it's like a electric suspension system, ABS, air conditioning system, and so on. Those are include vehicle comfort. The fifth one is the self-diagnostic function. The vehicle equipped with electronic control system, it is easily to know what it has that function. Let us continue on the engine management. On the engine management, as we said, it controls 66 systems. We have various sensors and the actuators. Here we have 2 engines simulators. We can use them to identify sensors and actuator location and its functions. Let us start by this one is the mass airflow sensor. In shortly we say MAF sensor. This one is included also inside here. There is mass airflow sensor and the intake air temperature sensor. Mass airflow sensor indicate on the ECU the amount or gram of the air entering in the engine. Intake air temperature sense shows to the ECU the temperature of the air are entering in the engine. There is also throttle position sensor. This one deals, it called TPS, deals with acceleration. It shows to the ECU throttle angle throttle plate is on which angle, and the ECU will know how the direction of the injectors will be stay open. And also, here we have MAP sensor. This is manifold absolute pressure sensor. This deals with the pressure entering in the engine. There is also another sensor here. Here, this is crankshaft position sensor. This one shows cylinder number 1. This one shows cylinder number 1 on top DT center, DTC. There is also camshaft position sensor. This will show to the ECU cylinder number 1 in the engine timing, engine management, everything. First we refer on the cylinder number 1. There is also we call oxygen sensor or oxygen heater. This one deals with exhaust gases. It will show amount of oxygen in exhaust gases. ECU will know it is doing well fuel ratio, and will know the mixture is lean or rich. Here also we have this one is the water temperature sense, or others say engine cooling temperature sense. This is the temperature of the engine. The ECU must know the temperature the engine. Here we have catalytic converter, which used in the emission, uses two sensors, oxygen sensors. The first one, this one, it used closed loop. The first one shows the status of exhaust gases from the engine. Then the after catalytic converter, the ECU also must know the information of exhaust gases. Here there is another sensor, vehicle speed sensor. In engine management, the ECU must know which speed of the vehicle is operating on. Here there is another sense, engine oil temperature sensor. The engine also must know the temperature of the oil lubricating the engine. Let us continue with actuators.